Hi, we've looked at how to set up the page margins, the page fonts, and the page settings, and the page paragraph settings. In this video, we are going to look at how we can manage our sources. Microsoft has done a fantastic job by incorporating APA formatting into their Microsoft Office program. So you can take advantage of this. Most people don't know about it, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So you don't have to worry about formatting your references or your in-text citation. The computer will do that for you. Your job is to look for the articles. I recommend that before you start writing your paper, make sure you have all your articles ready. Know the topic you want to write about, go and find the sources, have those sources, whether they are books, magazines, or whatever you have, and put them on the side. And before you start writing, input them in the computer so you can use the computer to format them. Now, Microsoft, this is why I love them. They've done a fantastic job. And to do that, I'll show you. You go on the menu bar and you come to where it says references. So click on the references. The first thing you want to do is to where it says styles, and go to the drop down arrow. You see it says APA 6th edition, and this is based on this manuscript, APA manuscript manual, the 6th edition manuscript manual. So you choose that. Make sure it's set to APA unless you're doing MLA, but APA is recommended mostly for colleges and stuff. And so once that is set, if you're using MLA, you can put MLA or whatever you want. So you're set. The next thing that you want to look at is managing sources. You click this one right here on top of the stars. You click on that one. It opens up this window. Now, this is where you see these sources I have here. This is all the sources that I've used on this computer. It's a master copy. It says it's master copy. All the copies that you've ever used on this computer are here. You can delete them. The way you delete them is to highlight them like that and click delete. You see that source is deleted. So now I'm going to show you. These are the sources that you have on this computer. If you don't leave them, they'll stay in there for the life of that period. Now, what you want is to come to where it says new. So where it says new, if you want, depending on the type of source here, you can say book, journal, or whatever it is. You can choose. You can even scroll down. If it was a website, everything is scattered for you here. See that is a case, miscellaneous, it was a performance, it was a film, everything you choose here. Remember, I'm not teaching you APA, I'm not teaching you how to use a computer to set up for APA, to set up your computer for APA formatting. So you have journal article, I've set it to the book. The other thing I want to show you before I show is this one. It says show all bibliography fields. You click that one here, it opens up more fields. For example, if you use an article from the databases, most schools recommend that you use the databases. All this information, the day it was accessed, the URL, the DOI, that's the document number, month accessed, year, the medium, the comments, the editions, and the pages. All these are there. So once you check this, if you don't need them, like this for the book, you don't check that, then you only have the fields that you need. Now what you do is right here you choose book, and then here you put in author. I'll give you an example. Derek Anderson. I like this guy. He used to be a runner. Derek Anderson. What's the title? How to set up your computer or PC for APA format. Right? Format. What year? 2015. City, we are in the greater city of Houston. Make sure you have the state, an abbreviation, not in full. The publisher, what's that publisher that does for most school books? T McGraw, right? Oh, sorry, it's no, it's McGraw something, whatever it is. So you put that. So you see how I put that. Once you have that, you can give the name a tag name. You see the computer science DRIF 2015 is a tag name. You can identify it by that. It's optional. So you can do the edit. It will allow you to edit even after. So what you do is you go here and say, okay, you see that article has been added to the master file and they added to the current. Now, this is what I want to do. The master file here is the articles that you've ever used on this computer. They stay there. That's the beauty of it, because you can reuse them. If you want to reuse them, they are already there. You don't have to go searching. If you did a document and you want to get an extract from that document, you have the article. Now, the current list, these are the articles that you are going to use on this paper that you are writing, the current paper, how to set up the computer for APA formatting, and that title, these are attached. If I send this file, the paper that I'm saved to somebody else, when they open up, it will have, or you go and open up another computer, it will have these sources in there. So they are attached to that document. Now, how do you add these documents here? You choose, you highlight, and then you click copy. So the document comes there. So you can highlight the next one, or you can highlight, if you're using all of them, you can just highlight all of them. Control, just click control, hold the control down, and you highlight the documents that you want. And once you do, like, you can do this and say copy, and they come on the other side. These are the documents that you are working with, or the articles or the sources that you are working with. Once that is done, means you have chosen the documents. So I recommend that before you even start writing the paper, have all your sources ready, books, articles, whatever, you can just have them ready and import them into your computer, and you have them ready. So well, now we are ready to start writing our papers. We have the margin set, we have the font set, we have the page settings, we have the sources in our computer, and now we are ready. So next, I'm going to show you how to use those articles that you have put in the computer now. The computer helps you save them. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.